Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from webcity.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can easily create this kind of professional mega menu by using Elementor page builder and jetmenu plugins. So that is the jetmenu plugin, and by using this jetmenu plugin actually you can easily create horizontal or vertical mega menu. Jetmenu is actually a plugin from the crocoblock. If you want to buy all the plugin from the crocoblock, it just cost $190 per year, but if you only want this jetmenu plugin, then it cost only $43. But for my subscriber actually I will give this jetmenu plugin download link in the video description. From there you can easily download and install this jetmenu plugin in free of cost. By using this jetmenu actually you can easily create horizontal mega menu and vertical mega menu, and in this tutorial actually I am going to cover how you can create this kind of horizontal mega menu. Okay, here in this tutorial I am going to cover this three kind of mega menu. As you can see, that is all the product category. When I hover on this shop all option, these are displaying, and when I hovering on this makeup option, here you can see this kind of mega menu are displaying, and when I hover on this skincare actually, here you can see a product slider. It's really looking awesome, and this mega menu actually totally responsive. Let me switch back to the tablet preview so you can easily understand that. So as you can see, that is the tablet preview. Even in the tablet preview also, as you can see, this mega menu is working perfectly. Even this mega menu also, as you can see, everything is coming just perfect. Now let me switch back to the mobile preview. Even in this mobile preview also, as you can see, if I click in this hamburg icon, this menu will open. From there, suppose I am clicking in this shop all option. So as you can see, this kind of mega menu is coming. It's totally responsive, and I can easily guarantee that after watching this video tutorial, you also can create any kind of mega menu like that. So now without wasting time, let me start to build the mega menus. So that is my website where I am going to implement the mega menu. So as you can see here, that's a ordinary menu and there is no mega menu is present here. I remove this menu or header option from here, and after that I will create the mega menu here. And for creating this mega menu actually I am going to use Elementor Pro plugin. In the video description you will get the download link from the Elementor Pro, and from there you can easily download Elementor Pro in free of cost. Also I am going to use this essential add-on for Elementor plugin and this jetmenu plugin. All this plugin download link I will give in the video description, so don't worry about that. In future if you want to get the updated version, always you can contact with me with this WhatsApp number what is displaying now on the screen. I will provide the link for downloading the latest version, so don't worry. So now for creating the header actually, first of all I have to create the menu. For that I have to hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menu option. So as you can see, my menu already present here. It's everything actually for the shop page, and after that here you can see total 2 category. Let me remove everything and let me build it from scratch. So let me select all, and after that let me click in the remove selected item. Okay, and after that let me click in the save menu option. You can easily edit this existing menu, else if you want to create the new menu, always you can do that. So for that actually you have to click in this option, create a new menu, and after that you can create the menu. Okay, so now click in the screen option, and from here actually I have to enable this product category option. Now scroll down, let me click in the pages. So from here actually I am taking the home page. After that I need the shop page also. After that I need the contact page also and about page also. Let me click in the add to menu, and from the product category let me click in this view all. So from there suppose I am taking these 3 categories. Okay, after that I have to click in the add to menu option. Now let me arrange them little bit. Yeah, it's looking perfect. So next actually I have to click in the save menu option. Now I want to create the first mega menu for the shop page. So when I hover on the shop option, here you can see the settings option. It's coming only for the jetmenu plugin actually. So I have to click on that. Now in this mega content, first of all I have to enable that, and after that in the mega menu content type I am choosing Elementor, and after that in the mega content I have to click in this edit mega content. Okay, so here actually I want to display all the main categories. So for that let me click in the plus option. I am taking single row and single column. Now let me click in this plus option, and here actually I have to search for the product category. So here you can see the product category, just drag and drop it here like that. I want to display total 4 category, and the count also will be 4. Now click in the query, From there enable this one hide empty. So as you can see 4 category are displaying here, okay, and count also displaying in the downside. Now let me check the responsive preview. Click in this. So in the tablet I want to display in each row total 2 column, okay, like that. And in the mobile preview also it should be look like that. Let me click in the update option. Once it updated, I have to close this one, and after that I have to click in the save option. If you want to mention the mega menu width, always you can mention the exact pixel, but here I am keeping everything as it is, okay. I am keeping the default only. After that I have to click in the save option, and once done you have to click in this item icon. So from here actually if you want to upload some SVG icon, always you can upload it here, but I don't want to upload any icon, so I am keeping it as it is. I am keeping it empty only, okay. If you want to add some icon badge, always you can add the badge text here, and after that you can decide the badge color, badge background color, etc. I am not entering anything here, so let me close this one, and after that I have to click in the save menu. Now for this grocery actually I want to create my second mega menu, so let me click on that. So let me click in the settings option. From there also I have to enable that, and from here I have to choose Elementor, and after that I have to click in this option edit mega content. In this mega menu actually I am going to design something like that, okay. So as you can see here also I need a sub menu item. Now for designing this sub menu item actually, again let me come back to the dashboard, hover on the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menus. Let me click in the create a new menu option. I am giving the menu name as sub menu, and after that let me click in the create menu option. So here I have to add some product, but by default you can see product is not displaying here. So again I have to click in the screen option, and from there I have to enable the products, okay. Now scroll down, here you can see the products. From there let me choose some random products, okay, and after that let me click in the add to menu option, and once they added in the menu I have to click in the save menu option. So now again I have to come back here. So I have to refresh the page once because I just created the sub menu, so I have to refresh the page. So now again I have to hover on that, click in the settings, and after that I have to click in the edit mega menu content. So here actually I need total single row and 3 column. As you can see there are total 3 column in a single row. So for that again I have to click in the plus option, and let me choose single row and 3 column. So now in the first one let me click in the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the flip box. So here you can see the flip box, just drag and drop it here like that. I don't need any icon in the front section, so let me delete the icon. And here actually I am going to create this mega menu for the groceries. So suppose here I am writing in the heading offer on vegetables. I don't need any description, so I am removing it. Now here actually click in the background, because here actually I have to add a image. Click on that, and suppose I am taking this image, and after that I have to click in the insert media. After that let me click in the back option. So in the back actually in the title, suppose I am writing huge discount on fresh vegetables, and in the description I am writing up to 30% off. Next in the bottom text actually I want to write view more. Now here actually I have to mention the link for that particular product or particular category. It's a dummy website, so here I am mentioning hash sign, means empty link, okay. Next it asking this link will be applicable only for the button or entire session, okay. So suppose I am mentioning whole box. So in this box actually wherever I click, that link will be applicable. Now come back to the settings option. So here actually you can mention the height. Suppose I am taking height around 200, and after that if you want to mention some border radius, always you can do that, and after that you can choose the flip effect also. Suppose I am choosing push, and you can choose the direction also. By default it will be up. Suppose I am making it right, so you can see when I hover on that the animation direction gets changed, okay. Hope you understand the concept. And another thing actually I forgot, let me click in this front, and here in the background actually the size I have to mention as cover, and here you can see the background overlay. Let me make it some dark color, and after that I have to decrease the opacity. Yeah, that's looking really good, okay. Next come back to the style option. So in the front the orientation of the text I want that should be in the downside, and alignment should be left aligned, okay. And the title color I want that should be white color. After that click in the typography. So from here font size I am taking around 25, and for the mobile preview size suppose I am taking around 20. Okay, again let me come back to the desktop preview. Now let me click in the back. Here also I want everything should be left aligned. It should look like that. Okay, after that let me change the background color also. For changing the background color, I think again I have to come back to the content, and here click in the back option, click in the background. Yes, here actually I have to change the color. The first color suppose I am taking this, and the second color suppose I am taking this. Okay, it's really looking awesome. Now you can come back to the style option and come back to the back. Now from here also if you want to change the typography, always you can do that. For the title, click in this. After that transform, make it capitalize. After that I want to increase the description font size also, so click in the typography in the description, and suppose 20 will be perfect. And the font weight, let me increase it. I think 600 will be perfect. Yeah, that's really looking nice. And the button size, suppose I'm taking extra small. In the button typography also if you want to change, always you can do that. The font weight suppose 600 will be perfect. Yeah, it's really looking nice. Next I need another flip box, so right click and click in the duplicate. So as you can see it's already come back here. So now click in this edit option here, and in the background let me delete the image first of all. Click in this, and from the media library suppose I am choosing this image, click in the insert media, and here come back to the content. Here you can see the title. Let me change the title. In the title I am writing offer on the fruits. So next I have to click in the back. In this back let me click in the background. First of all let me change the color. Suppose the first color I am taking this one, and the second color suppose I am taking this one. Okay, now I can come back to the front. So the front, as you can see, everything is looking quite perfect, no need to change anything. And now let me click in the back, and here huge discount on fresh fruits up to 50% off. Okay, and after that in the link actually you have to mention the link for the fruits category. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Come back to the size. Here also the height I am taking 200. Let me change the effect. Suppose I am choosing zoom out effect. It's really looking nice, as you can see. Now here also I need another icon box. So what I have to do, right click here, click in the copy, right click and click in the paste. Okay, now come back to the settings option. In the settings actually I have to increase the height. Around 420 will be perfect. I think I have to decrease it a little bit. Make sure the height should be similar. Yeah, I think it's looking nice. So here actually first of all I have to change the image. So come back to the front, click in the background. First of all let me remove the image. Let me click in this plus option. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert, and the position I am making it center. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Now come back to the content, and here I am writing offer on tomato. Come back to the back. Here first of all let me change the color for the background. The first color suppose I am taking this one, and the second color I mean this one suppose I am taking this. Okay, the text and everything if you want you can always change that. Suppose in the content here in the title I am writing best value for money offer up to 50% off on tomatoes. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. If you want actually you can easily change the font color, font family, etc. But it's a dummy website only, so I hope you understand. I'm keeping everything as it is. Now here actually click in this plus option and drag and drop the heading here, and the heading text I want this. Okay, and the HTML tag suppose I'm choosing h3, and after that I need the menu. So let me search for the menu. So here you can see the nav menu. Just drag and drop it downside like that, and from here I'm choosing sub menu what I just create. Okay, after that in the layout I'm choosing vertical. Alignment I think left align will be perfect. Breakpoint I don't want breakpoint, so make it none. Animation you can choose according to your wish, and pointer also there are so many pointers available, but I think underline is the best one. Now come back to the style option. From here if you want to change the text color always you can do that. Suppose I'm taking black color. After that let me click in the typography option, and from here the font weight let me make it around 500. I think 600 will be perfect. Yeah, that's really looking awesome. Next what I have to do, I have to click in this session, and here you can see the vertical aligned. I have to make it middle. Okay, so now actually I have to change the tablet preview. So let me click in the responsive option here, and after that let me click in the tablet. So as you can see in tablet it's coming like that. So you can do one thing. First of all, let me click in this session. I have to decrease the column gap, make it narrow. I think it's really looking nice now. Now let me click in the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. It's really looking awesome. So no need to change anything. Now let me click in the update option, and once it updated, let me close this one, and after that I have to click in the save option here. And once it's saved, if you want to add some icon or item badge, always you can do it, but here everything I'm keeping as it is. And after that I have to click in the save menu option. So as you can see, already 2 mega menu created. Now I have to design the third mega menu for the healthcare. Okay, if you come to my demo website, here you can see there is a mega menu. I mean, when I hovering on the screen here, this kind of mega menu is open, and that is a product slider or product carousel. So here in this website, actually I am going to design that mega menu for the healthcare. So when I hover on the healthcare, all the product related to the healthcare should be displayed in form of product carousel. That's quite easy. But before doing anything, let me click in the save menu option, and after that I have to click in this essential add-on. Okay, and in this essential add-on, actually I have to click in the elements. After that you have to scroll down, and in this WooCommerce element, make sure this WooCommerce product carousel should be enabled. Okay, and after enabling this, you have to click in the save settings. I'm telling all the thing because by default this not get activated. You have to manually activate this one. Okay, so once done, again you have to hover on the appearance, and after that again you have to click in the menus option. And now I have to again hover on the healthcare, click in the settings option, and from there you have to enable this one. From here I have to choose Elementor, and after that you have to click in this edit mega content. Okay, now from here you have to click in the plus option. I have to take single row and single column, and after that I have to click in this plus option, and here I have to search for the product carousel. So here you can see the Woo product carousel. Just drag and drop it here. So by default, as you can see, it's coming like that. So there are different kind of layout is there. You can choose according to your requirement. Suppose I'm choosing the preset 1 only. Now let me come back to the carousel setting. So here the effect that should be cover flow or slide, I'm keeping slide only. Visibility for the desktop I'm making it 4, and for the tablet it should be 2. For the mobile it should be 1. If you want, you can make it 2 also. If you make the 2 for the mobile, it will look like that. I think it's really looking awesome. And after that, from here you can mention the item gap also. Let me make it 1 only. So after that, from here you can change the autoplay speed also. It's totally up to you. Now let me come back to the desktop preview again, and after that let me click in the query, and here in the product category I have to choose healthcare. Okay, so all the products belongs to the healthcare only will be displayed here. After that you have to click in the update option. Once it updated, you have to close this one, and after that you have to click in the save option, and once it's saved, you have to close this one also, and after that you have to click in the save menu. So as you can see here, I already create total 3 mega menu. Now let me click in the save menu option. After that I have to create the header. So for that, let me hover on the template, and I have to click in the theme builder, because I'm using the Elementor Pro, so I'm getting all this option. Okay, so now let me click in the plus option for the header, because now I'm going to create a header template. As you are using Elementor Pro, so you will get so many predefined templates, but let me teach you how to create a header template from scratch. So let me close this, and after that let me click in the plus option, and from here I'm taking single row and 3 column. So now let me decrease the width of the first column. I think that's enough. So now here actually I have to upload the logo. Click in the plus option. So here you can see the site logo. Just drag and drop it here like that. Now from here in the style, let me increase the width. I think that's looking quite good. And another thing I forgot, let me click in the session, and here the vertical align I have to make it middle. Okay, now I have to increase the column width for the second column. I think that's look quite perfect. Click on the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the mega menu. So here you can see there are total 2 different kind of mega menu. I have to drag this one. The vertical mega menu I will cover in the next video. So just drag and drop it here like that, and from here I have to choose the main menu. Now if you want to change the alignment, always you can do that. So for that you have to come back to the style option. If you want center align, then you have to click center. If you want right align, you have to make it right, but I am keeping the left only. Okay, Now from here, if you want to change the color, always you can do that. So for that you have to click in this, and whatever the color you want, always you can make it. Suppose I want black color, so I'm making it black. Now if you want to change the color on hover, always you can do that from here. You have to click in the hover, and after that, suppose I want the hover color should be blue color. So as you can see, when I hover, the color become blue. So in this way you can easily change that according to your requirement. And if you want to change the font size, always you can do it from here. Suppose I'm increasing the font width to 600. Yeah, now it's looking quite good. So now let me click in this plus option and drag and drop this menu cut option here. And after that, in the icon I am choosing backlight. And after that, the alignment I have to make it right aligned. Click in the style option, and from here you can see the border width. Let me make it 0. Okay. Now let me click in this responsive preview, and after that let me click in the tablet preview first of all. So I want the breakpoint should be in the tablet preview only. I don't want to display the entire menu here in the tablet. So just click in this breakpoint and make it tablet. Okay, so it's done. Now let me switch back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, as you can see, it's coming like that. We can do one thing. Let me click in this. Let me make it 30. And after that, let me click in this one and make it 70. I don't want to display this card in the mobile preview. Let me click in this and come back to the advanced option, enable the responsive preview and make it hide on mobile. Okay. After that, let me click in the publish option, and here actually I have to add the condition. Click in the add condition, make it enter site, and after that I have to click in the save and close option. So once done, let me come back to the website. So now let me refresh the page. So as you can see, it's coming perfectly. My mega menu is working perfectly as I want. Actually, let me decrease this size actually. Come back to the layout. I think 15 will be perfect. And now let me click in this one and let me make it around 80. Okay. If you want, you can change the alignment also, but I think the left alignment is looking quite beautiful. Let me click in the update option. Now let me come back and refresh the page once. So now let me check the mobile preview, how it's looking. Click in the inspect. So that is the mobile preview. If I click on that, here you can see my mega menu is working perfectly. If I click in the shop, here you can see this kind of mega menu is opening. Let me click in the grocery. Okay, everything is working perfectly. I'm ending the video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt, always you can ask me in the comment section. Hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, then don't forget to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. And please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.